Hi traders, let's see, you're here with the Trade Father and Koki.
Hello.
And today we're going to talk about candle addition etiquette, and this is what the software is looking for when it's doing the trend states. Now the very first thing is most traders, they look at the very first candle, and that would be that little red one on the right. Now that's a kind of a misnomer or a fake guide, because what happens is candles are created every time the clock ends. All right, so in this case, we're looking at the pound yen on a 4-hour chart. So that means for every 4 hours, a new candle is created. So the real price move isn't just that one candle, but it's the previous candle in front of to the left. It's actually those two red candles of the true price move. So the software is actually adding those two candles together in order to get what we call a price move. All right. Now, if you look to the left, you have 4 blue candles. Now, all 4 of those blue candles are added up together by the software because that is the true move going up.
Wow, and it actually does that for you.
Yes, it does it for you. Now, what it's also doing is on the higher time frame, if we go over to the right and we encompass these 6 candles, the 4 blue ones and the 2 red ones, that is actually 1 candle from the chart on the left. Okay, so this is a 4-hour chart on the pound yen. If we multiply that by 6, that's 24 hours, which is 1 day. Okay, so now we're drawing a box around that 1 blue candle. Now, we're going to get deeper into this in our discussion about Confluence etiquette and how the software is looking for multiple time frames over different charts. Now, the point in this video, though, is you see those candles, those 6 candles on the right. That's actually 1 candle on the left. All right, so those 6 candles together make that blue candle on the left, and that blue candle shows that the buyers are in control.
Yeah, we can actually see that on the 4-hour chart, right?
That's exactly right. Okay, and so what happens is later on, we're going to talk about how on one chart, you're going to see a picture, and that picture can then be deciphered or broken down on a lower time frame, which would show us what's happening with those candles, and that chart is over here on the right. All right, so right now, the whole idea is this: for you guys to understand the trend state, you need to look at the flow and add all the candle colors together.
So that's the whole story.
That's the whole story, the picture of the flow. And that's what we're asking the software to figure out over multiple time frames, so that way you get that push in that one direction.
So we can actually see it very quickly by just looking at the software.
Yes, in fact, you can look at it. In this case, if I was asking the software, what are you doing? On the left chart, we are sideways bias up confirmed. And this is where you guys need to watch the trend state etiquette video. We're sideways bias confirmed. Price wants to move up. If I look at the smaller time frame on H4, I have it doing a pullback, meaning it's pulling back down right now. And you either want to do a pullback entry right here because it's in a demand, or it's in a level of buyers. Okay, so then you want to enter the trade here, or you can wait for a breakout entry. And that's where we're going to talk about the different forms of entries that you guys can have in our other video of entries.
Oh, very cool.
Okay, guys, if you like this video, click on the like button. And if you guys want to see more videos, click on the subscribe button. If you have any questions or suggestions, please email us at team@GrowAPairAndTrade.com. Again, that's team, T-E-A-M, @GrowAPairAndTrade.com.